With the arm curl machine, you'll have a couple adjustments to do. You'll notice you'll have a chair that you're going to be seated on. So this is going to change how high and how low it is. So the taller you are, the lower you're going to want this. When you go to sit into the machine, you want to be able to raise your arms up onto the pad, and it should sort of angle toward your armpit of your body. You shouldn't feel like your arms are up over too high. You'll feel a pull in your shoulders if you do. And you don't want to be in a standing position when you go to curl. With most of these machines, you'll just kind of line yourself up to the right side of the machine again for your elbows, but making sure you feel comfortable when you go to curl. So don't curl very heavy on these. You'll just grip the machine and you're just going to gently curl in. Do not lock your arms out on extensions. You will pull a bicep. So slowly release as you go back and curl straight into your shoulders. You should feel this in your biceps. When you're doing this exercise, making sure that you're looking forward about 3 feet ahead, keeping proper posture. Do not arch your back. Have a straight spine and keeping your belly button into the spine.